Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to do a presentation on Archipelago Insight. Your group consists of Hamidah Nurul Inayah, Nailul Mustawfirah, Nasriyatun Nuriyah, Akbar Najih Amrullah, Ahmad Askarul Afkar, and myself, Muhammad Faiz Azam. We are making this presentation to fulfill the PPKN class assignment. In this presentation, we will talk about what Archipelago Insight and understanding Nusantara Insight.
Number 1. Understanding Nusantara Insight. Archipelago Insight is the perspective and attitude of the Indonesian people regarding themselves and their environment, which are all diverse and have strategic value by prioritizing regional unity and integrity while respecting diversity in every aspect of national life to achieve national goals.
Number 2. The archipelago as a national view of the Indonesian nation. The position of the archipelago insight as the national insight of the Indonesian nation is a teaching that is believed to be true by all Indonesian people, so that there will be no division and misdirection in the struggle to achieve and realize national goals and ideals. Therefore, the insight of the archipelago becomes the visional foundation in organizing national life.
Number 3. Archipelago Insight Function. Archipelago Insight serve as guidelines, encouragement, motivation, and seek in determining all policies, action and decision for state administrator at the central and regional level, as well as for all Indonesia people in the life of society, nation, and state.
For purpose of Archipelago Insight, Archipelago Insight aims to reach nationalists in all aspects of Indonesian people's life, which prioritize in the national interest rather than the interests of individual groups, ethnic groups, regions, and groups. Does not mean emulating the interests of individuals, group, ethnic group, or regions. This interest will always be respect religion and fulfilled as long as they do not conflict with the interests of the general public or national interests. High nationalism in the foreseeable or aspects of life for the realization of these national goals is a reflection in the Indonesian spirit on understanding of nationalism in the
Archipelago Insight Principle. The Archipelago Insight Principle is provision or basic rule that must be created, albeit maintained, and albeit in order to remain obedient and faithful to the components that make up the Indonesian nation toward mutual agreement, equal and loyalty. This is entirely a principle of insight into archipelago that really must be implemented for the sake of maintaining unity in the sovereignty. Implementation of archipelago insight into the archipelago as political unit. The implementation of the archipelago insight in political life will create a healthy and dynamic state administration climate. This can be seen in a strong, clean, aspirational government and dynamic state administration climate. This can be seen a strong, clean, aspirational government and trust, which will as the obedient of sovereign people. Archipelago Insight in Economy Life. The implementation of the Archipelago Insight in Economy Life. The implementation of Archipelago Insight in Economy Life will create an economic order that truly grant the fulfillment of and increasing the welfare and equality. In addition, the implementation of Archipelago Insight in aspect of economy reflect the responsibility of resort management nature that pays attention to the need of the interregional community, city and the sustainability of natural resort Islam. Insect of the archipelago as socio-cultural life will create an inner and outer attitude that recognizes the form of the difference as reality as well as a gift from God. This implementation also creates the life of the community and units regardless of ethnic origin of or the belief as well as group based on status social. Indonesian culture does not reject the original forest cultural value, does not conflict with the cultural value of the nation itself, and result can be enjoyed. Inside of the Archipelago Insect in different unit and security implementation of Archipelago Insect in different life and security will raise awareness of love for the homeland and nation, which will further shape the attitude of love for the homeland and nation, and different the country will become the main capital that will mobilize the participant of every Indonesian citizen in face every form of threat.